not about power, but about service. Good morning, respected sister principal, esteemed teachers, dear parents, and all the Marians present over here.
It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the prestigious ceremony of St. Mary Senior Secondary School for the academic year 2025-26. A day filled with pride, responsibility, and leadership, as today management will officially entrust duties to the newly elected office bearers of our school.
Leadership is not a position, it is an action and example. Today we gather to celebrate and confer responsibilities upon those chosen to lead our school with integrity, dedication and courage. I am Harshit Verma alongside Shreya Mishra. We are honored to be your host for this significant occasion.
Let us begin this auspicious day by invoking the blessings of Almighty. Prayer fill our heart with peace and our mind with clarity.
We now invite the students of class 11 and the Acquire group to lead us into prayer service.
We thank you for the gift of this new day, this new beginning. Bless the students who stand here today as leaders chosen by their peers and teachers. Fill their hearts with wisdom, courage and compassion. Let them lead with humility, act with integrity and serve with joy. Guide all our students to stay focused, faithful and committed to their goals. Be our light as we strive for excellence, character and service. Lord, hear our prayer.
Lord, hear our prayer. And Spirit, as these young leaders take their oath today, grant them the strength to carry the mental piece of responsibility. Keep them grounded, honest and committed to justice and unity. May they inspire others by their actions, not just their words. May this opportunity serve and shape them into future leaders of integrity and vision. Lord, hear our prayer.
Lord, hear our prayer.
Students for the soulful prayer which has created an atmosphere of serenity and grace.
We once again welcome Sister Principal, Sister Manager and all the dear parents.
Now, the moment of recognition and responsibility to our newly elected leaders has arrived. It is indeed an honor to invite our esteemed principal, Sister Priya Karwal, to present badges of dedicated individuals entrusted with responsibility, our newly elected leaders and blessed torch-bearers of this journey.
As each name is called, we invite respective office bearers to step forward to receive their badges and sachets from our respected sister principal.
I now call upon Harshita Joshi, the elected Field Marshal.
Do you, the members of school, accept me as your field marshal? Do you promise loyalty to your school and me? Do you promise to carry out in your daily life the ideal of fraternity set before you? Will you cooperate to the best of your ability in keeping the school banner flying? Respected Sister Principal, in the presence of staff and student, I beg that the honor of Field Marshal be given to me.
I, Sister Priya Karwal, gladly give you this honor with my blessings. Be faithful to your duty.
I promise on my honor to do my best to do my duty to God and to my school.
I now call upon Pushpesh Utpreti as elected head boy and Simran Sharma as elected head girl.
Accept me as your school head boy? Do you promise your loyalty towards your school? Respected Sister Principal, in the presence of staff and students, I beg that the honor of head boy be given to me.
I, Sister Priya Karwal, gladly give you this honor with my blessings. Be faithful to your duty.
Of school accept me as your head girl? We do. Do you promise loyalty towards your school and me? We do. Respected Sister Principal, in presence of staff and students, I beg that the honor of school head girl be given to me.
I, Sister Priya Karwal, gladly give you this honor with my blessings. Be faithful to your duty.
I promise on my honor to do my best to do my duties to God and to my school.
I now call upon Kunal Das, the elected secretary, Yantika Chauhan, the elected literary secretary, and Isha Ghosh, the elected cultural secretary.
Do you, the members of school, accept me as a school secretary?
Respected Sister Principal, in the presence of staff and students, I beg the honor of school secretary be given to me.
Do you, the members of school, accept me as a literary secretary? We do. Do you, in the presence of staff and students, I beg the honor of literary secretary be given to me. Do you, the members of the school, accept me as your cultural secretary? We do.
This is the principal, in the presence of staff and students, I beg that the honor of the cultural secretary be given to me.
Promise on my honor to do my best to do my duty to God and to my school.
I now call upon Diksha Rawat and Nidhi as elected captain and vice captain of Blue Pill. Khushi Prajapati and Soumya Upreti, the elected captain and vice captain of Shamrocks. I now call upon Shudanshu and Jyoti Palkoti as elected captain and vice captain of Red Roses. Call upon Sakshi Bish and Ali Ullah Khan, the elected captain and vice captain of Daffodils.
Do you, the member of Bluebells, accept me as your house captain? We do. Respected Sister Principal, in the presence of staff and students, I beg that the honor of house captain be given to me.
Members of Bluebells, accept me as your vice captain? We do. I beg that the honor of Bluebells vice captain be given to me.
I promise on my honor to do my best to do my duty to God and my school.
Do you, the member of Shamrock, accept me as your house captain?
Staff and students, I beg that the honor of Shamrock.
Do you, the members of Shamrock, accept me as your vice captain? Respected Sister Principal, in the presence of staff and students, I beg that the honor of Shamrock vice captain be given to me. I promise on my honor to do my best to do my duties to God and to my school.
Carry out in your daily life the ideal of fidelity set before you. Principal, in the presence of staff and student, I beg that the honor of Red Rose captain be given to me.
Out in your daily life the ideal of fidelity set before you.
Respected Sister Principal, in the presence of staff and students, I beg the honor of Red Roses vice captain to be given to me.
I promise on my honor to do my best to do my duty to God and to my school.
Member of Daffodil, accept me as your house captain?
Respected Sister Principal, in the presence of staff and students, I beg that the honor of Daffodil house captain be given to me.
Accept me as your vice captain.
Respected Sister Principal, in the presence of staff and students, I beg that the honor of Daffodils vice captain be given to me.
Thank you, respected Sister Principal. The oath echoes the dedication and sincerity with which our leaders shall perform their duties.
The parade is not just a display of discipline and strength, but of unity and leadership.
We invite the school parade contingent led by our newly elected Field Marshal Harshita Joshi, followed by head boy, head girl, cultural secretary, school secretary, literary secretary, and the other council members to march forward with pride.
School sanities! Attention! Sanities! Attention! School mark time march! Forward march!
invite the school choir to present a song of inspiration.
for that melodious and uplifting performance.
आचार्य महोदय, शिक्षक एवं शिक्षिका और प्यारे बच्चों, सभी को मेरा गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं यहाँ पुष्पीय सुकृति की मम्मी हूँ। जैसा हेड बॉय के रूप में उसे नियुक्ति किया गया है, मुझे बेहद गर्व महसूस हो रहा है। उन सभी शिक्षक और शिक्षिकाओं का मैं बेहद धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ जिन्हें मेरे बेटे को इस योग्य समझा है। और मेरा बेटा बचपन से ही यहीं पढ़ा हुआ है, सेकंड क्लास से बहुत छोटा बच्चा था मेरा। सभी शिक्षकों के उसमें संरक्षण में रहकर मेरा बेटा आज इस योग्य बना है। सभी का मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी और बच्चों के लिए सिर्फ 2 ही लाइन कहना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है, धूप हो रही है, जिसलिए सिर्फ 2 शब्द कहना चाहूँगी उन बच्चों के लिए जिनके लिए शिक्षा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। क्योंकि आप जिस उसमें ग्रोथ कर रहे हो वो शिक्षक के द्वारा ही हो सकता है। कबीरदास का एक दोहा है, गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद देव बताए। कबीरदास जी कह रहे हैं कि गुरु और गोविंद दो खड़े हुए हैं। इस सभी बच्चों के लिए कह रही हूँ मैं, एक सिर्फ अपने बेटे के लिए ही नहीं कह रही हूँ। अगर दोनों खड़े हो तो सबसे पहले किसका अभिनंदन करना चाहिए हमें? गुरु का ना। क्यों? गुरु को क्यों इतना सर्वश्रेष्ठ माना गया है? क्योंकि ईश्वर तक और हमें अपने लक्ष्य तक प्राप्त करने का मार्ग केवल गुरु ही बताता है। ईश्वर तक पहुंचाने का मार्ग जो है कौन पहुंचाता है? केवल गुरु पहुंचाता है। गुरु के द्वारा ही बच्चा जो है आगे बढ़ता है। मैं सबसे आभार प्रिंसिपल मैम और यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी स्टाफ का करना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरे बेटे को इस योग्य समझा। बेहद गर्वित महसूस हो रहा है और उन सभी बच्चों को जो है कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन और बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगी जो जिस योग्य पद पर इन्होंने नियुक्ति किया गया है। थैंक यू सो मच।
To both your child and our school.
It's now my privilege to invite our respected sister principal to share her words of inspiration and guidance.
Good morning and a hearty welcome to one and all present here. Respected Sister Manager, all my esteemed teachers, the proud parents, the newly elected office bearers, my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you as we honor and celebrate our school's investiture ceremony. First of all, I wish to congratulate all the newly elected office bearers and their proud parents. Dear parents, first of all आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ, क्योंकि आपने आपका कीमती समय निकालकर यहाँ प्रेजेंट है, उपस्थित है। सो आपको धन्यवाद करते हैं। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे एज वी सेलिब्रेट द इन्वेस्टिचर सेरेमनी, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट wearing a badges or a sashes. It's not about commanding or ordering. Leadership is the capacity to transform your vision into a reality. You should have that ability. The very fact that you have been chosen, you have been nominated as an office bearer, chosen for this beautiful and this great post, you have a greater role for this institution, for the students. And therefore you have this capacity to transform a vision into a reality. You must be having many dreams. You must have planned many things for this session 2025 and 26. And I believe that, my dear students, that you are going to perform this responsibility to the best of your ability. And for that you need, first of all, you need to be an inspiration, an example before others. That is the first important thing in life. Another thing is that you need to have a patient listening. Not that you dictate and the students will do it. Not at all. You have to listen to the opinions, the advice, the suggestions of other students as well, and pick up what is best. And the third thing you need to have is the decision making. Very important in life. And what type of decision you make? Your decision should be fair and just. Not that you decide for yourself what is benefiting to you. Not at all. Your decision should be fair and just. It should be towards the growth and the development of all the students as well as of the institution. A famous writer, John Adams, who rightly says that if your actions inspire others to do more, to become more, then you become a true leader. Once again, if your actions inspire others to do more, to learn more and to become more, then it means you are a true leader. And that is what we all need to see during this session, the 2025 and 26 that is given to you is a challenging year for you, my dear students. See, remember in life that life is not a bed of roses. There are thorns. You will experience and find the students who will not cooperate with you. Many students will be there who will be not that obedient. Students who will not just forego you, they will just ignore you. But what is your responsibility? Are you ready to stand alone? Are you ready to stand for justice and the truth? That is more important, my dear students. And if you gain this leadership quality here in this institution itself, then in life you can gain many more success in life. You can see today how our Indian soldiers are fighting at the border. They are protecting our country. And from where did they gain this seed? The seed of leadership? From their schooling itself, from their home itself. Very important. The role of parents, the role of teachers is very important in life. Therefore, my dear students, it's not only meant for the office, but it's for all of you, my dear students. Every one of you is a leader. And if you cultivate, develop this quality of leadership here in this institution, then I don't think. And therefore, today you can see many soldiers ready to sacrifice their life. They have become martyrs for the country. And you know what is happening in our country, the disturbance, the chaos, the confusion, the fear. Even in spite of that, the soldiers are ready to free our country, to free us from the clutches of the enemies, the slavery. All those who are trying to harm us, harm our country. Why? Because they have received that courage, that strength, that leadership quality from their childhood itself, from their school itself. So today is a reminder, my dear students, to all of us. The very fact that you have been chosen, it's a great responsibility. You cannot forego this responsibility. So I wish you all the best and God's blessings, because I understand it's a limited time and the weather is quite bad, so I won't be taking much of your time. I also take this opportunity to thank all our PTIs who have really worked hard these days. Let's give a big hand to all our PTIs. Also the various the committees that were involved, the cultural committee, the decoration committee, music teacher, dance teacher, and also the coordinator and assistant coordinator, they have all worked hard. So I wish to congratulate one and all for all the hard work that you have put in to make this event a successful one. God bless you. Thank you.
Principal, for your motivating and visionary message. Your words inspire us all to aim higher and work harder.
I now invite Field Marshal Harshita Joshi to propose the vote of thanks, expressing her gratitude to those who made this event a resounding success.
Good morning to everyone present over here. I, Harshita Joshi, the newly appointed Field Marshal, feel deeply honored and privileged to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks on behalf of all the office bearers. First and foremost, a special gratitude to our respected sister principal. Thank you, sister, for being the guiding light of our school. Your leadership, discipline, and unwavering support inspires us every single day. We promise to uphold the dignity and responsibility that this role demands, just as we have always taught us. To our teachers and mentors, thank you for believing in us, for giving us this opportunity to lead. Your trust and guidance are the pillars on which we will lead our journey of leadership. To our parents, thank you for your constant support and love. It truly inspires us to fit in every role. And lastly, to our fellow students, thank you for your trust. We all promise to lead with sincerity, unity and discipline, to keep the spirit of our school united and strong. Thank you once again.
As we conclude today's investiture ceremony, we confident that newly elected office bearers will uphold their duties with honor, compassion and resilience.
We wish them strength and wisdom in their journey ahead. Thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence.
Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. I now request everyone to stand up and get ready for the school anthem.